This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Ken Worthington. Get ready to fall in love. This house is gorgeous, long driveway, oversized garage, 4.29 acres with mountain views. Secluded, private, and absolutely charming. Paved road and driveway. Enjoy the opportunity to own a home that you'll never want to leave. Truly a forever home. Large rooms, kitchen with table space and lots of cabinets, wood-burning fireplace with insert in a living/family room with vaulted ceilings and exposed beams. Best of all, no HOA. You owe it to yourself to take a look, you'll be glad you did. For more information, review the details below or contact Ken Worthington at 304-263-2121.